Good morning. Welcome to R&R Lifestyle. We today are going to open up our brand new WIN 2000 watt inverter generator. We just bought a piece of property and we got to develop it. No one has ever lived on this property. It's just thick woods and brush. So it was one of my things that I wanted this thing to be American. As American as possible. I wanted an American-made tractor. I wanted an American-made bush hog. I wanted everything to be American. And we were trying to figure out what we're going to do to build the cabin, to build the chicken coops, to build everything that we need to build out there. And I was looking at the Honda 2000 watt generator only because it's real reliable and it's super quiet. The price is up around $1,000, a little over $1,000 for that. Okay, so we just happened to be kind of searching around on YouTube the other day, not even looking for a generator or anything like that, and all of a sudden we came across this one that popped up, and it was a WEN, W-E-N generator. They're made up in Illinois. Not really happy of Illinois politics, too much stuff there, but it's made up in Illinois. Okay, American made. That was important to me. So we started doing some research on it and stuff, and comparisons side by side, WEN versus Honda. And the only difference was that the WEN was just slightly a few decibels louder than the Honda. But the WEN's made in America, and that's important to me and to Rhonda. So we're gonna open this up. The other nice thing about it is, I told you the Honda is a little over $1,000 for that generator. This thing here was under $500. You can get two of these generators, two of these, and piggyback them together and have 4,000 watts of power for under $1,000. That's huge. That's huge. Now the other thing you could do is, if you're into all that bug out stuff and stuff, you could buy two of these for the same for less than the price of the Honda. Put one in your vehicle and put one in your honey's vehicle, so you both have a generator if you need to bug out. So just something to consider. But anyway, this generator is going to be huge for us, so I'm going to go ahead and start opening it up. I've just already cut the tape and everything. Comes with your instruction manuals here. Okay, you can see right here it's got some tools for the generator. Looks like some spark plug removers and stuff like that. That's what that's for. Use the screwdriver, stick it through that little hole, undo the spark plug. Also see a little funnel right here to add your fuel. Over here we got to pull this off right here. I'm going to just set this right here for now. I'm going to set all this stuff right here also. Just leave it right there. Alright, and we're going to pull this out. Very nicely packed. I gotta find the bottom here. The top, there we go, just like that. Look at that. Look at that. So here's where you add your fuel. Your spark plug doors right here. Got your control panel right over here. You got two outlets. You got lights right here to let you know. Come in a little bit more. Your output, your overload. And this must be fuel right here. Two USB charging ports. Excuse me. This is if you're going to parallel run two of these side by side, so you have 4,000 watts. And then there is the eco mode right here, so you can turn that on, and that will cut down the engine idle speed and how much power you're putting out. You got on and off right there, your choke right here. So this is the WEN, and there's two models out. This is the newer model. You can still buy the older model. I started checking them out, and I think the older model had a running wattage of 1,600 watts. This one here is the newer model, and it has a running wattage of I think it's 1,700 watts. So just 100 watts more. It's just a little bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's the newer model, so you know, they've made improvements off of the original model. But once again, made in the United States. That's important to me. Very important to me. America, America, America. Thanks for watching. We'll fire this thing up once we get out to the property and start building the chicken coop. That'll be the first thing we're going to build, is a nice chicken coop, because we found out we have a rooster in our little flock. And he's been waking us up pretty early, so we're going to move him out to the property so that he can wake up the critters out there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.